Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Saif Ali from MCA second semester. Today I am giving a presentation on topic knowledge representation under the guidance of our respected teacher Pankaj Chandra sir. So don't waste time, let's begin on the topic. Firstly, we will know what is knowledge representation. It's a very informative word because without knowledge we cannot do anything. Human cannot do anything, and also AI cannot do anything. So it's a very important topic. What is knowledge representation? Knowledge representation, we can say in short form, KR, is a key aspect of key. We must in a store organize and utilize knowledge. Means if knowledge representation will utilize resources and help AI system make intelligence decision and solve the problem. And also we will know what is the importance of knowledge representation. So here the importance given provides a framework. Obviously, if we will have any framework, then we can work any task, perform any task on the AI. So provide a framework on reasoning and inference, enable communication between human and machine, facilitate problem solving and decision making, help in learning and adapting the new knowledge. This is the main importance of KR, means knowledge representation. So next, what is the approach of knowledge representation? Here is the approach: logical representation, semantic networks. We will discuss further about it. Frames, production rules, ontologies. And the logical representation based on the mathematical logic proposed on the first order logic. Basically, this is the provide of the BFS. AI also give a shortest path for the optimal solution. Enable precious reasoning. Example for human are mortal. Socrates is human and Socrates is mortal. Now the semantics networks, as I mentioned in my topic: graph, structure, representation, knowledge, nodes. Nodes is a starting point, and object and concept. Age is a relationship basically connected between one node to another node. So we can say node age is a relationship useful for inheritance and association. And what is the application of knowledge representation? Here is the application: expert system, NLP. NLP means natural language processing, and robotics, semantic web, decision support system. This is the applications. And here is the ontology. I also talk about the ontology. So ontology means formal representation of knowledge, define concepts and relationship, support interoperability and reuse. Means we can reuse the information on the basis of knowledge representation used in semantic web application. And here is the obviously, if some positive point, then obviously some challenges in the knowledge representation. And what will be the challenges? Handle incomplete, uncertain knowledge, and balancing expensive and efficiency, knowledge acquisition and bottlenecks, representing common sense knowledge. This is the main challenges of knowledge representation. And thank you. That's all about from my side.